Hello sir, hello everyone, and this is my finished school scheduling system using GUI. As you can see, there are a lot of things in this system, and I added an icon which is my Dabsu profile and a name with it. School scheduling system JVG, which means JV Kinta, and here we have course name and room, date, start time, and end time with different colors. And in the right side, you can see a DPC logo and a DPC name on its bottom. And in the middle here, it's a welcome back to school banner, and I add schedule button here and a print schedule button here. Let's try if this system is really working, and this panel will be shown after we input the details. Course name, SIT, and room 10, Tuesday, and 4 p.m. and end time will be 6 p.m. Add to schedule. Okay, and now let's try if we put another course with the same schedule. Let's try BSBA. 10 again, and Monday, Tuesday, sorry, 4 p.m, 6 p.m. Have to schedule now. It is conflicting because there's already BSID on that schedule. And now let's try the print schedule. Let's print this and name it BSID. And click save. Click okay. Now let's see if it's there. BSID. And there it is. It is printed. And that's all for my school scheduling system using GUI. Thank you.